What happens when a college class steps out of the textbook and into the kitchen?
So I reached out to Mr. Dilpreet Jammu to see if he would be interested in co-developing a course with me based upon the Langar, like we'd done in the past, and he said yes.
In the new Sikhlens film, Rhymes with Hunger, University of Denver students take on a massive real-world challenge, hosting a Langar, the beautiful Sikh tradition of a free community meal.
The values that we're trying to support here are like inclusion and community and like teamwork and all of that. And I felt like our whole class just like so quickly embraced that.
It's a story about breaking down barriers, serving without asking questions, and discovering that food is the ultimate equalizer.
Young minds are being brought together around common grounds on how to form friendships beyond religion, how to really understand how universal the values of Sikhi are.